street food markets, ancient palaces, ultra-modern districts. In South Korea, staying connected makes your trip a lot easier. Here's how to get mobile data the moment you land using a Saily eSIM. Start by opening the Saily website or mobile app. To make sure you get the discount, use the special link in the description, the pinned comment, or scan the QR code displayed on screen. The discount only works through these methods. Then create your account or log in. It only takes a minute. Once you're inside, browse the list of destinations and search for South Korea. You'll see several data plans depending on how long you're staying. Choose your plan based on your usage. If you mainly need directions and messaging, a smaller data package might be enough. But if you plan to use navigation apps, translation tools, social media, or streaming regularly, going with a larger plan will give you more flexibility. After selecting your plan, head to checkout. Before completing your purchase, enter the promo code mentioned in the description in the designated field. Once applied, the discount will be reflected instantly in the final price. When your payment is confirmed, Saily guides you step by step through the eSIM installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you arrive in South Korea, activate the line in your phone settings, and you'll be connected within seconds. No physical SIM card required. Quick reminder, the promo link and discount code are available in the description, the pinned comment, and via the QR code on screen. The discount only works through these access points. And if you're planning another trip soon, the video appearing right now might help you prepare for your next destination.